until that happens, since you guys are... Sorry? Sorry, Pablo, I missed what you were saying. No, okay, never mind. While they join, I will continue to get updates from the folks present. Okay, Topher, can we start with you?
Yeah. So on target for completion of the rollout on Wednesday. MacOS is being rolled out to a bunch in iOS as so.
Okay, thank you. But you're not blocked on anything on these two, right?
No, I'm just doing a slow rollout because I don't want to break things.
Okay. Alrighty, thank you. Johnny, thank you for joining. Any updates? Your side's still on track?
No updates really. Still on track. Still trying to go through the Google Workspace ones. Chrome browser's already marked as done. So yeah, Chrome browser's done. Still going through Google Workspace, and I have not started the Chrome OS one yet.
Okay. This was a question from Alex earlier. Any possibility we can get this one done by 15th of August? This one, Google Workspace?
That's the goal. It just all depends on all the other stuff that comes up.
Okay. I'm just gonna say that he's gonna try, and then I'll continue to keep this as a date. If anything changes, then you let me know.
Yep, will do.
Okay, thank you. All right. And since Josh is here, hey Josh, we had some couple of ones that wanted to ask. So this one is showing past due. Do you want to change the date, or do you want to give update on this one?
Yeah, I think this is in line with the work that is actually, I think we've sort of decided to go on a slightly different route, right? We're doing the Mage AI processing before we actually try and handle any of the data. So that's currently, Michelle's currently looking at implementing a Mage AI pipeline to handle the data before we can move ahead with that. So we might need to move the date on that a little bit forwards until whenever Michelle's task is at least completed.
Should I put end of next week?
I don't know where Michelle's up to on the pipeline stuff. I don't know if there's a task assigned on the board for it.
I don't know if there's a task on the board. I don't think Michelle's in the meeting either, but you can probably just put it to the end of the week, VD, but it might be sooner than that.
Okay. End of this week?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Thank you. Just for the purposes of like when I'm running my scan, then it doesn't show up. All right. Oh, come on, don't do this. And this is another one. Configure Macie for centralized management. Same. This is past due, so.
That's done.
It's done?
Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, Josh, but I mean, like this centralized management within the tooling account is configured. It's really just about job setup.
Okay. I thought I could have been sure that I'd close this one out, but if I haven't already, close it out. Maybe I didn't confirm it through Jira or something, but I've definitely been through this and reviewed it.
Wonderful. Yay, one down. Thank you. All right. And I have dropped messages to Boyce, Andrew, for these. I'll update the due date on this one to end of August, considering Johnny's items are going to be coming in later in August. Other than that, follow up with Andrew. But let me refresh it. Okay. Ryan, this one, audit logging integration security data lake.
Was this for teleport?
Yep.
You could put this to the end of the week. I can get this done today. Or sometime this week.
End of the week. Okay.
Put it to Wednesday.
Thank you.
Billy, well, you mentioned Andrew. Andrew who? What was that?
Andrew Hunsell?
So,
Oh, so, okay. Okay.
alrighty. Justin.
I think this is done, but just put it till today, and then we can review tomorrow. I gotta confirm with Andrew. But Shrey's out of the office.
Okay. So today, right?
And that will review tomorrow.
Okay. Just giving a day. Right. Andrew, I'll follow up. Shannon, maybe identify segregation of duty. Do we want to reassign? It's an epic. Or do we want to discuss later, Ryan?
Oh gosh, this one's vague. Is this? I think this has to do with GitLab, right? The Monterey bill. I think Patty already did this. I want to say, I guess maybe I'm thinking of something else, but I thought Patty had an Excel spreadsheet or a spreadsheet of all the different repositories that were pulled out of the Mono repo, which would then, let me see. Some grad rows after segregation of duty conflicts can potentially push a code release to production. I think Patty has something on this, right? Because this also has to do with the code owner's file and what who is and isn't allowed to approve PRs or what's needed for an MR.
Assign it to Patty to ask him.
Is Patty in this meeting right now?
No,
he's not. Okay.
He usually is on Mondays, but maybe he's out of. I don't know. I'll follow up. I'll just assign it to him for now.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay, all right. But should I just park it for end of this quarter, regardless?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And then we have this is for Andrew. I'll have to once we speak to him, we'll just go over his items. But most of them are in verification except this one. Then next is RMS for on-prem infrastructure discovery. I think this is in progress. Any due date?
Armis, it's going to depend on the contract. Due date, let's do it in the quarter.
End of the quarter. Okay.
Yeah.
Are there any prerequisites for this one?
Contract. I thought the contracts are done.
Contract's done. PO was sent out. Now there's just like
we have to integrate it, right?
No. Biggest thing is last I heard is there's we have a 45 net 45 with Armature, and then Armis is like, oh, we want the money quicker. I don't know. The Armature has to work that out. So
got it. Okay. And what? Huh? Okay. Uh, I yeah. Automation to validate role changes. This is access review standard. I think this should be end of this month, right? Ryan, this one's also tagged to you.
Automation to validate role. You can put this to the automation to validate role changes. You can put this to the end of the week.
End of this week.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, rest all I have already dropped a follow-up, so I'm just waiting for people to respond. But I think Sasan, I only need your help following up with Drew.
Okay, we'll do. He's pretty busy on teleport stuff because that's Alex put that as priority. So but I'll work with him on the other stuff.
Yeah, we just need we just need his updates on the CIS side because it's pending a couple. Just pull up his tickets and get due dates.
Okay.
Right. And maybe some of the work is done, then we can claim credit. That's why it's important that he updates his tickets. Okay, that's all I have. Because these were the only past due ones. Anybody, anything else that they want to go over, or is blocked or needs help?
Hey, Vidya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I set up a bit, but I wanted to see what's the proper structure to put in tasks. Can I set up a quick 15-20 minute with you, just make sure I'm doing this properly, and so you're not surprised, things like that.
No problem.
I don't want to make changes. You say, hey, what is this, right? That you're not aware of it.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, we can do that. All right. I think this is all I have for today. We might have to cancel tomorrow's Tiger Team meeting because it conflicts with our Bishop Fox report readout. So for tomorrow, if everybody could just put their updates in our Slack channel, that would be great. Does that sound okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. Okay, I don't have anything else unless I'll open it up. If anybody has any questions for Brian, Janet, or Alex, please let us know. I'll stop sharing. Okay, well, thanks everyone. You can have your 15 minutes back today.
Hey, Vidya, can I use the time? Can I use this time with you, or you have other thing planned right now?
No, go ahead. We can let others go.
Exactly.
Okay.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys.
Hey, Vidya.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me share my screen with you.
Sure.
Hey, Danny, when you're done with VD, I'm also going to send you a meeting so we can catch up on the incident.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Okay. Hello, so I will steal your 15 minutes.
No problem.
Let me share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
I don't just share everything. Let me know if you see it.
Yes, now I do.
Okay, all right. So the question is, in terms of getting things on this initiative, what is the process? Do I need to review with you, or I just do it? What's the process?
So actually these, we didn't create, it was given to us, like, for example, these came from Andrew Hutzel in terms of like his tracking sheet.
Right.
And then we made up our own epics. But if you think that there is a particular one that contributes towards like NIST, then by all means, go ahead, create an epic, and then you can have your own like tickets in it.
Yeah.
Just make sure that you have the correct labels. So, for example,
You see my screen here, the one here, 12014, that one here. So walk me through. So I created, because this epic is just basically create the incident response plan for cyber, but there's a lot of subtasks under it. And there's also another big, so let's just start with this one here right now. Let's say I want to add so the process, if it's okay, Andrew is fine, and I'll let you know, I just do it, right?
You can do it, but you'd have to have like, so if it is contributing towards NIST, then I need to know which NIST control it is, targeting. So, for example, if you open up any of the NIST tickets, then you would see that they all have like the right labels for. Just open any. Just like, for example,
this one.
Yeah. Open. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so as you can see, the labels has CSF036, PR.PS. This is exactly what I'm looking for because it tells me which area of NIST it is contributing to, because that's how the dashboards are working. So if you know of those, then you can let me know, or you can like put in yourself. But these are the labels. These are fundamentally the labels that I am looking for.
Oh, so how these label? If I don't know this label, how do I find out? Do I need to put that label in, or I let you know to put the label? What's the process?
No, you'll have to tell me which area it is contributing. So CSF036 is basically the protect area where it is, I think it is the protect area for product security. That's what PR.PS stands for, if I'm not wrong. But definitely it's in the protect area. And CSF036 is exactly the line item that Andrew is tracking his side to say like, okay, we are trying to resolve this. That's why it is contributing towards the NIST score.
Okay, got it. Is there a master list, a reference, a label that I can just look without remember the number? Because this, I don't remember what this is. I don't even know what this is.
I think this is Google information. You should be able to find like put your epic and then say like which area of NIST will this contribute to. That should help.
Okay, so these are the standard number. It's industry number. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, fine. And the label, I just put it in. There's no pre-select number. Just put it in. Is that correct? There's no.
Yes, but just either give it to me or just use the exact same format, like capital CSF-0, whatever number you have.
And what is this? Why there's another label here? What is two label here? This one here.
Yeah, because everything is contributing to different dashboards. It is 100% governed through labels. So NIST _CSF is one of the labels. Only then it will show up on on some of the plans. So because as you are seeing, our plan is structured and split into two. One is contributing towards NIST, and other contributing towards CIS. So if it is CIS, it will have CIS label. If it is NIST, it will have this label.
And this one is. What about this one here? This is NIST.
The actual area of NIST which it is contributing to, like out of like govern, identify, detect, protect, respond, recover.
But why you have two label that's all NIST? That's the confusing part. Like this two.
Because each label is created for a different dashboard. So without the label, the dashboards don't work. So it's not just what you are seeing here. There are different audiences looking at different things. So for example, Satnam doesn't care what the epic is. He only cares like how much in protect area is the percentage of completion. So for that, I need the PR label. NIST is generally, I'm first saying like, okay, if it is not even NIST, first whether the epic whether it's NIST or whether it's CIS, like which area it is going towards. So that is what that label is. And CSF036 is exactly which part of NIST it is contributing to.
Okay, so these two doesn't have, as long as they're fine. They don't have to be in the right order. Sounds like. No,
it's not. I mean, in Jira, that's not how labels work, right? Like, I mean, in Jira, you can just put any label anywhere. It's just that you need to have the labels. Without the labels, it won't show up at the right places it's supposed to.
Okay, it's like a middle.
Like, for example, if you miss Tiger Team, it just won't. It just won't show up on our plan. If you missed CIS, NIST CSF, it won't show up under that epic.
Okay, got it. Okay.
I mean, not epic, but initiative.
Initiative.
Yeah, and if you miss CSF and PR.PS, it will continue showing as like which area, because it will have like blank fields in other dashboards.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Now coming back here, let's say I want to create a So let's say this. Where's my one here? Here, right? I want to create a story. What's the process? So I just click here and create a story. Is that it? Is that the right process?
Yeah, usually we just do tasks, as you can see. Everybody else created like tasks. So you can just click. Open the Epic, and then it would be easier that way because open it.
Open it. Okay.
Yeah, and then create just like issues in Epic. That little plus sign
right
there
here
at the bottom. Issues in Epic.
Issues in right here.
No, on the Epic. No, not that side. Not on the panel. Just go down after attachments.
After attachment. Okay, right here. Oh, here.
Yeah. There's a plus sign there, right?
Right. Okay.
Yeah, you just click on that and then create there. So that way it will create it under the same Epic.
Right. Okay. And is that the minimum I need to put? Do I need to put component?
No, you need to put the due date.
That's it? The due date? Okay.
Yeah, keep scrolling up. Not the end date, but the due date. Due date.
Okay. I'm just going to do it as a muscle memory. I'll change it later. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is that it? So the due date and the task and then the description, of course.
Yeah, so now since you are creating since this was an Epic, as you can see, the Epic link is already pre-populated.
Where is the link? I'm sorry.
Epic link here. It's one of the fields. Last one. I mean, underneath, after assign to me, there is Epic link.
Yeah. Right here.
Yeah, see, as you can see, it is pre-populated. So if you do it this way, then it will always be in the right Epic.
Okay, I want to listen.
And I think you should do the same thing for, if it is like NIST, then always go to the initiative and create an Epic underneath the this thing. So that way it's always in the correct hierarchy. You don't have to manually do that. If you don't do it this way, then you'll have to like type in the Epic link.
Oh, okay. I know you're the expert on this. That's what I want to ask you. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so only mandatory is due date, description, summary. That's sufficient as the minimum requirement, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll create it.
And labels.
Oh, labels. Yeah, I'm not familiar with labels, so I don't know what to put right now. So labels is right here.
If it is like NIST, then NIST _ CSF, Tiger Team.
Oh, it's all here.
These are pretty standard. Like this will, like not that one. NIST _ CSF. The third one. Yes.
Okay.
Because different people would have created labels as per their needs.
Right.
So if you use the wrong one, then it won't show up at the right dashboard that we are using.
Right, understood. Got it. So the label is key here.
So,
okay.
Yes. So usually always use the labels that is existing in the Epic, and then you can, carry forward those in your subsequent like tasks. That way is so. Here you have to manually type in labels because your Epic does not have labels.
Right.
But let's say if your Epic had the labels, then all your tasks underneath will automatically have those labels.
Oh, okay. So that's the best practice. Do it from the Epics.
Yes, do it on the Epics, and then do a skim, like do a check. So let's say sometimes I have noticed that the Tiger Team label is little wonky. It just like doesn't come up. So in that case, you might have to do it like manually and all. But that you can do like bulk update or something, right? Like you can just say, okay, for all my tickets, make sure it has the Tiger Team label so that it definitely shows up on the plan.
Got it. And the priority is I make that determination?
Sorry?
See the prioritization field? Is that I make that determination myself? Or is
we are not really, no. I mean, we are not really looking at the priority field.
Okay, fine. The due date is the key, right?
Yeah, due date is the key, yes.
And I see when you go through this, there was a lot of changes. It always gets pushed back, huh? Then that's normal?
Yeah, I mean, Grail generally is a culture that's how it is. So we have to navigate through it. Don't get stuck on anything. If you are getting pushed back, make sure you're involving like the right people, as in like Alex or somebody you're saying that, hey, or I'm not Abhi, Alex, anyone saying that, hey, I'm not receiving any support on this one, or I'm getting constant pushback. I mean, you'll have to try to tackle it yourself first,
Right.
but then if you are still getting, if you're really dependent on someone, and if you're getting like big pushbacks, then it's no use. Like, then you'll have to pull people up.
Correct. Okay, I want to ask you one more question. But let's say I want to create a link to this one here. What is the best way? Is it this one here, and it's just like a document link? Which one do you use? An anchor link or external link? Let's want to link to a operation doc. Do I do this one here like this? Then put the information there. Is that correct?
No, I don't use it that way. I just usually put the link, and then like I just generally like first put the link, and then yeah.
Like this.
Like
Let's
say-
like this. Let's do
Yeah.
it like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And let's say go back to your ticket.
Where'd it go? Shit. Right here.
Yeah. Just write test. Sorry.
Oh, wait. Hold on a
Do
second.
it this way. You can do it this way as well. Or if you want like a shorter name
Yep.
where the link doesn't show up,
Yep.
then you can just write, like, for example, write test, TEST,
Right.
select it,
Uh-huh.
and then right click. Yeah, now like just there should be.
I'm just learning your best practice video. Your shortcut.
Okay. Go back. Go out of right click.
Yeah.
Now click on link. The one above. The one above in the panel. Yeah. Next
This one.
one.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. No, that's
No.
attachment. This one.
Yeah. That one. Yes. Click on it. External link. Yeah, it's not working that way.
Yeah. Well, how do you do it? I'm just trying to figure it out because I couldn't figure out.
I generally do it this way. I mean, I was trying to see if I usually use the right click where it says like link, and then I attach the link.
Test, highlight it, right click.
But it's not showing up in
Yeah.
here.
But I copied this already.
Yeah. Well, in that case, just stick with what you did earlier, like as in
A long link.
yes, the long link. Or if you do the external link, that should also work. It's not like it won't work, but I mean, we can try use external link. Yeah.
Okay.
And then now in the example.com paste.
Yeah, that's more work, I think.
Yeah, that's more work. Exactly.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
That doesn't make that. Yeah, this doesn't look good. That's more work. That's,
Exactly. Yeah. So, I mean, I guess once you create it, then we will have to see how it looks.
Okay.
Because-
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll figure that out. Okay. So let me delete these. I'm just going test. Okay. Create. And that's it, right? That's done, right?
No, I mean, in the test, you'll have to.
Yeah, I
the
can put
link.
it in. I can put the stuff in. But that's the process to create tests.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Task. Yeah.
And that's it, right? And now those fields, the one you told me, those are the minimum not need to fill in the label, description, assigned to myself, and due date. That's sufficient enough.
Correct. Yes. Make sure that always it is you always have the assignee, due date, and the right labels. Yes.
Got it. Okay, thank you so much. I'll let you go. Thank you for your time.
No problem.
Thanks, Vidya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.